welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom and me. Our Day 6 activity is to make a glow ball. This sounds really exciting, so let's get started. So we will need around 40 bottle caps, any round object you have at home, glue gun, and LED lights. First we'll start by putting one bottle cap in the middle, and then gluing others around it, and we'll do it only till half. Now we're going to remove it and make another half like this. Our two halves are ready. Now we're going to put the LED light in one half and leave a bit outside. Now it's ready. We're going to glue it to the battery. Ta-da! Our glow ball is ready. I hope you enjoyed making this glow ball with me. Do follow us on our page to watch the upcoming Christmas videos. And don't forget to try this out and send the pictures in the comment section. Bye! See you next time!